What's up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia. And welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we're going to do a first-time reaction for a full performance of the TNT Duets 2 champion, which is Arvery Lagoring, if I'm not mistaken, guys. Lagoring and Christian Tebayan sa It's Showtime para sa kanilang performance ng Kapag Ako Ay Nagmahal. Yes, isa daw to sa pinaka-trending performance nila. Thank you so much po sa nag-request. I'm so excited to check this out because we recently reacted to their ASAP performance with Jamiel, which is also a TNT Duets champion. So, let's see this performance. But before proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Ooh. Ano kayang arrangement nito? Sayang sila Maya, no? Hindi sila nakapasok daw sa top 3. Wow. Soulful. God. Si Christian kasabayan siya ni Carmel, di ba? Sila ni Avery. Ganda nung ano. Execution. Oh my God. First of all, guys, the way that Christian is singing is very heartfelt. And gusto ko yung, ano niya, nuances or vibrato na, yung mahangin. Di ba? Very soul vibe. Ito si Arvin. Love the thin notes. Ganda na outfit nila, parang ikakasal. Love that switching. Pogi ni Eri? I love that their thin notes is matching. It feels magical. Very heartfelt naman. Ang sakit ng boses ni Arvery. Sakit sa puso. Wow. Goosebumps. They are capturing the emotion of the song. Nagkikilabutan ako while listening to it. And Arvery's vocal is very serene in a way na parang hindi siya kumakanta. Parang hindi bumubuka yung bibig. But they're switching yung emotion. Both of them, their emotion and thin notes fits together. Saktong-sakto at bagay na bagay sa kanta. So it's a nice choice of song kasi bagay. The way that they're looking at each other. Oh, ito na. Wow. Money note. Love the counterparts. Wow. Oh! Whoa! Oh my God! What a vocal flair! That is so good. Same level of vocal flair, but hindi sila nagkakabangga dun sa high notes and it fits together. Look at Miss Between. She's closing her eyes para mas ma-feel niya. Kasi grabe yung emotion overflowing. Let's go back to that vocal flare, guys. And the escalation. Isinaas pa nila na isang notch. Woo! Basagan ng lungs, guys. Grabe yun. They raise it another notch dun sa end ng sustained notes na high notes. Tapos, inangat ulit nila. That is so hard. Like, in one breathing, you have to pull it up again. Another higher notes. Let's go back to that. Isa pa, guys. Grabe yung boses ni Avery. Wow. Oh my gosh. Naiiyak ang sopron. Oh my God, guys, sorry. I need to stop on those parts kasi grabe, kinikilabutan ako kay Avery. Sobrang, alam mo yung parang nasa ceiling na yung high note pero hindi flat. It was still soothing and on point. But the emotion is overflowing. I love it. Let's go back to that. Kahit yung mga judge, parang di nila akalain they can do it. Oh! What? Oh my God. Like, alam mo yung basagan ng lungs, ubusan ng hangin para silang uminom ng oxygen ng 2 tangke before sila nag-perform for this one. I love it! Oh my God! How many seconds is that? They slope the note and turn into the high note sustained in one breathing, guys. Take note. One breathing. It's like 5, 7, 8 seconds na sustained high notes. Let's go back to that. Bilangin natin. Grabe! Halimaw! This is what Filipino loves. 8 seconds. 9 seconds, guys. Oh my God. Standing ovation. Kapag ako'y oh my God. Amazing. Oh, love it. Love the arrangement too. Galing. They know the strength ng dalawang music artists na to. So good. Love it. There you have it, guys. That is Avery Laguring and Christian Tibayan, the TNT Duets 2 Grand Champion. Oh my God. No wonder bakit nag-trending to sa Philippines ng bonggang-bonggang-bongga. Dahil, grabe, basagan, ubusan ng lungs, ng hangin sa lungs. Talagang lumaklak sila ng oxygen for this performance. I love the execution. I love the arrangement. At talagang alam nila saan bibigay, saan tayo bubuga. Yung mga vocal flair, yung high notes that sustained 9 seconds, guys. Grabe. After you slope a note and then high note sustained with one breathing, exceptional. Nakita niyo naman, they receive a standing ovation for this performance. If I will just give a comment about this performance, vocally exceptional. Yung yung drama, how they do the duet, it was so good. The execution, it's just a slight for me, guys. Just being honest, like they're singing on TV, and this is a singing contest. And when you do a performance, I know that you should do connect together because you're a duet, but at least they should look at the camera. Connection to the audience, because not to compare with Jamiel, because Jamiel's like that. They look at each other, but they look at the audience. So we became part of the performance. So that's just for me, guys, my honest opinion, right? It's not that big deal, but I know they will definitely improve with their upcoming performance, because definitely they will be trained for that. But yeah, nonetheless, exceptional performance. I love it so much. Kaya naman, thank you so much for requesting this, guys. I enjoyed watching it at di ko in-expect. And meron pa ba silang ibang ganitong halimawan performance? You can comment down below and we will check that out for you. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.